We worry a lot about privacy, about questions of freedom, but we don't often ask, well, what kind of society are we building?
If media was so fantastic, why would you all come here to see a face-to-face exposition of an argument? Place still matters, and arguably matters as much as ever, despite the incredible growth of digital technologies.
The long-standing values that promote an open society, and by that I mean tolerance, democracy, fairness, I will come back to that, they're compromised in the online world, and that's a world that is dominated by mostly American digital platforms.
Is this the future for digital society that we had imagined and that we actually want? If not, then we must start to imagine a different future. And this is not easy.